vegetables in the afternoon, it's fine, no particular effect. It wouldn't increase longevity, it wouldn't reduce cardiovascular disease or cancer. But having a meal of vegetable at dinner was very beneficial. It reduced all-cause mortality, like around by 18%, as well as reducing both cardiovascular disease and cancer. And these are well below a P threshold of 5%. So they're very statistically solid results. Why would a vegetable dinner be more healthy than a vegetable lunch? Well, again, looking into the details of it, you notice that in a vegetable dinner, they're not talking about starchy vegetables. This is not a baked potato. They specifically call out dark vegetables. And by dark vegetables, they basically mean dark leafy greens. So this would include all kinds of salad, the non-dark ones as well, to say the iceberg lettuce and other kinds of leaves, which is traditional to eat before the meal. The cause of this is that actually it's much more beneficial for you to eat fiber at the beginning of the meal in order to slow down your digestion, especially before you're going to a long fasting period. In other words, going to sleep through the night and won't have any more food until you break your fast with breakfast the next morning. That I think that's a very special use of fiber, reducing the insulin spikes and the food overload